1957 Colonial White Thunderbird with the XH correct all red interior. Both tops ground up with restoration with limited miles. A 312 245 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8 4-barrel. She is the D series. She has Ford Masterguide power steering. She also has Ford's automatic 3-speed automatic transmission. Her brakes have been all gone through recently in our Thunderbird restoration shop. She has Thunderbird Air Conditioning, original Colonial White urethane enamel with a clear coat. Has a light undercoat underneath of the body. Correct XH red interior with the proper embossment. Ford's Accessory backup light system. Thunderbird Am FM with the auxiliary input for your iPhone to play your own selected music. Real Thunderbird wire wheels with the red center spinners. Fresh Firestone Deluxe Champion wide Whitewall tires. Electronic ignition. High output coil for electronic ignition. The battery double punch cutoff switch. The reduced diameter steering wheel for easier entry and exit, plus more leg room. New torch red lap seat belts. A copy of the original 1957 Ford factory invoice for documentation. She was sold new in Dallas, Texas, and owned nearby since. She hasn't been subject to the high humidity climates. Both tops consist of a black canvas replacement convertible top with a swing bar, assembly the Colonial White restored porthole top. The exhaust has been turned down at the rear to protect the fresh chrome on the rear bumper. I have been with this car and known of this car for 30 some odd years. She was so new here in Dallas and has lived nearby with the exception of 5 years in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So she hadn't been subject to the high humidity, rusty climates that the majority of them have been. Good quality car that I think could make you like me 5 years from now.